Hello, and welcome to another Super Dispatch support video. Today, we're going to be showing you how to assign and reassign a load to a driver inside of Carrier TMS. To begin, start by logging into your Carrier TMS account. Once inside the platform, please make sure you're under the Loads tab and in the New section. Once you found the load you want to assign to a driver, please click on the blue Assign button. From here, select the driver you wish to assign the load to, and then click Assign. After you click Assign, the driver will receive a notification on their device, alerting them that a load has been assigned. From there, they can open the app and view the load in the New section. To reassign a load, navigate to any relevant section. In this example, we'll use the Assign section. Simply select Reassign, then choose the driver you'd like to reassign the load to. You can also reassign from the Picked Up section or if the load is in a terminal. Look for the Reassign button, which allows for seamless handoffs when multiple drivers handle a load throughout its journey. And that's it, you now know how to assign and reassign a load to a driver inside of Carrier TMS. If you have any additional questions, you can always feel free to reach out to the support team at support@superdispatch.com or by simply clicking on the chat icon in the bottom right hand corner of your screen to start a conversation with us. Again, thank you so much for watching this video, and we hope you have an amazing rest of your day.